Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to create clip mashup Facebook stories with multiple photos and music. Without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, go to the Facebook applications. Here tap on create story, and here tap on select multiple and select some photos that you want to upload it on your story, and at the bottom right corner tap on the next, and here you have some options, so you can choose them. I'll choose photo collage. Here you can also add the music to your story, so you can see here the music icon at the right side, and here you can choose any music that you want and simply select and tap on it. You can also edit the music. If you want the lyrics, you can tap on this, and if not, then tap on none and tap on dawn. After that, tap on share. So, this will share a story with multiple photos and music. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.